Hey there, I'm going to show you a way that you can send your grades to us and make sure that you send it in the format that we are looking for, and also making sure that you are FERPA compliant. So one of the things that you want to do is, once you are in your course, you're going to just go to grades, and we are going to download that report. So what we will do is we're going to choose export. And when you export, you do want to make sure that you have it as all users, so that way we can see all of them. If you have two sections, you're welcome to do it section by section, and let us know. That would be extremely helpful, but just make sure that we get them for all students. As far as this one up here, it's not a big deal. I'll show you why, because we're actually going to delete that column before you send it to us. And then last name, first name, this is the one that we would like for you to choose. And then we also want you to make sure that you have checked off that it's the grade scheme. That way we can see what letter grade it is that the student received. And the only details we need under user details are last name and first name. By default, often you will come to this section and many of them will be checked off. If that's the case, just click this button right here at the top. It will check every single one of them off. And then if you uncheck it, it will then make sure that you just uncheck everything, because the only thing we need from you is whatever grade it is that you have submitted to Banner. If that's been your final calculated grade or final adjusted grade. And I understand that some of you might even make your very own final grade column, and that's the one you submit to Banner. So we're going to say in this example that we have done the final adjusted grade. So I'm going to check that off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to export this as an Excel document. Once you have exported that as an Excel document, you'll see a pop-up window where it's letting you know when that file is ready. You can then download that and it will be an Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to hit download. And then what will happen is it will then pull up an Excel sheet that looks like this. It'll have the org define ID, last name, first name, and then whatever their adjusted or calculated grade is. This column we do not want. So if you could go in and you could delete this column, this is all we need then sent to us. So you can go in and you can email us a copy of this file, and then your grades will be exactly the way that we need them. Thanks. Have a great day.